Okay, this is just a quick video to show you what's inside the box of this ultrasonic cleaner for jewellery. It's not a review of the actual products. I'll do that in the written review. It's just showing you what's inside the box because I often find it's most helpful to know, exactly what you're getting in the box. And your first impressions as well. So I haven't opened this yet. This is absolutely first impressions, and this is exactly as you would get it if you ordered it. So instruction manual on the top, as you'd probably expect. And then here's the unit itself, packed nicely and neatly in here. There we go. It's all packed very well, actually. You can see here just the right amount of packaging. There's a plastic bag there to protect it from scratches and scuffs and things, and cardboard packaging just here. So this is the actual cleaner itself. Now I can see this foot has literally just fallen off as I've done this. It's got a sticky edge around the outside, so let's put that back on, but not the not the greatest start in the world, but there you go. It's a nice, it looks good. It definitely looks good in my opinion. There's the cage. Let's take that out, and then the interior cage there. Let's pop that in. So I think the only final kind of useful thing that I can do for you here is show you how big the cage is going to be. It's around about 16.5 centimeters wide, just under 10 centimeters tall at its highest point. It's obviously this kind of elliptical kind of shape. So that's the kind of size you're going to be able to put things in. It's going to hold watches. It's probably going to hold your glasses, but just be aware that the size, if you've got particularly big glasses, it might not put them in. Other things, necklaces and such, I think they'll be absolutely fine. There are little holes in the bottom here, but if you're worried about things getting lost, there's absolutely nothing here, so you're not going to lose anything into the bowels of the machine or anything like that. So if things did slip through for whatever reason, there's nothing really for them to get caught on or anything like that. Okay, final thing maybe is just to check the length of the cable. Just so you can, you might be installing this in a particular place and you might think, okay, well, I need to know it's this distance from a plug socket if this will come undone. Let's pull that cable tie like that. Okay, so the distance is, let's put that back there where we can see it clearly. So from the end there, and of course this is just a rough measurement, but you'll get a good idea of how big it is. 60, 90, 120, probably around about 160, so it's just over 1.5 meters long as a cable. Right, I'm going to really properly test this out, and I'll let you know in the written review exactly what it's like to use.